In this lesson, I'd like to show you how to perform an append query to append records to another table, and then run a delete query to delete the records that you have just appended. Now, if I look at my list of tables, I currently have a table called Master Employees, and if I open it up, I see that I have 9 employees out here. I also have a table called New Employees, and this table has 6 employees out here, brand new employees. I'd like to go ahead and append these employees. The ones that were hired in 1992, I'd like to go ahead and append these to the Master Employees table. To do this, I can run an append query. I'm going to start by coming out here and just creating a simple design query, and I'm going to go ahead and pull in my new employees here. I'm going to go ahead and click on close after I add that table. I'm going to come out and click on my last name field, select the very last field, hold the shift key, and then click on reports to, and that should select all the tables, rather all the fields in the table. I'm going to go ahead and drop these in. I'm going to come out to my hire date and say I only want to see those records where the hire date was in 1992. And if I run my data set, I can see that I have 3 employees out of my data set that were all hired in 1992. Now if I turn around from here and I say append, it's going to ask me what table do you want to append this to, and I'm going to go ahead and say append this to the Master Employees table. And when I click OK, it doesn't do the append yet. It's just set everything up. To make it happen, I have to come out and click on my run button, and when I do this, it tells me that you are about to append 3 rows to the new table. I'll say yes, and those 3 have been appended. And if I go back to my Master Employees table, it no longer has 9 employees, it now has 12. So we've added the 3 employees to the 9, and we've included those into the master table. Now I still have, in my new employees table, I still have these 3 records for the folks from 1992 hire date living out here, so I want to get rid of them. What you can do is right after you do the append, you can turn right around and do a delete query, and that goes hand in hand with the append, where you can say run, and it will delete 3 rows out of the new employees table. These are the records that you just appended, so you no longer need to have duplicates. This will go ahead and take those right out. So if I go back to my new employees table, you'll see that I no longer have 6, I have 3, and if I look at the hire date, there are no longer any 1992s because these records have been appended to the Master Employees table.